How to fix package installer keeps stopping Xiaomi. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. Next, launch the settings application on your device. As you do that, tap on About Phone section and check for any updates available for your device. Here, as it says, there are no updates available. So we're going to go back and then scroll down and we're going to tap on Apps. Now select on Manage Apps, and as you do that, tap on the search bar and search for package installer over here. So as you search for this application over here, so just wait until the app pops up over here. So just tap on it, and here you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on clear data and then clear cache. Next, go to the app permissions and make sure that you have toggle on the required options, but there are no permissions that is required over here. So tap on notifications and make sure that you have toggle on all the required ones as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.